Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday started with their whole school assembly. The virtual this week, patience. Tuesday, grade 5 had their celebration of learning. This was a chance for them to share all the wonderful learning they have done in this half of the year, including sharing all of the books and some of the recent projects they've been working on throughout the term. There was also another virtual workshop for parents. Wednesday was the start of the swimming galas, with the grade 6 being the first to show off their determination and unity. Thursday was the turn of the grade 3s to have their swimming gala. Friday started with the grade 4 celebration of learning, first thing followed by their swim gala straight after. In the afternoon, we had our whole school assembly featuring, among other things, a brand new hot seat. On behalf of Jessica, Sophie, Tiya, and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Olivia, and we'll see you again next week.